Jenny Reviews here, and today I'm glad to review this beautiful pajama by Hot Touch. So as you can see, it's super comfortable. Oh my god, I love that it has two pockets, so that's very useful. So this is a black gray tie-dye, as you can see, and it has here this adjustable string. I don't want to use it just because I want to be loose. This is a size small. This is how it looks in the back. And I like it because it's cute. It's comfortable. You can even use it just to walk around and lounge, and you can use it daily. Also, you can put it in the machine with cold water just to wash it, and looks how it looks from the side. The size small is just perfect for me because it's not too baggy, but it just is very comfortable. That's the best word that I can use to describe it, and it's so pretty. It also looks like a lilac and a purple. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Hot Touch. Have a great day.